Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad K Sangma attended the Our Magnificent Vision 2032 Meghalaya program held today at the sports complex in Baghmara, South Garo Hills, making 8 years of the MDA government. Addressing the gathering, the Chief Minister highlighted the government's focus on inclusive and sustainable development, particularly in rural and forest areas. He informed that investments in the district include about Rs 354 crore in public health engineering projects, Rs 235 crore in education, and around Rs 90 crore in tourism initiatives, along with support under programs such as Focus Plus and Green Meghalaya. The Chief Minister said infrastructure projects worth about Rs 2,144 crore have been undertaken in the district over the past 8 years, taking the total value of the development initiatives in South Garo Hills to over Rs 5,000 crore. He also informed that the Rs 140 crore Greater Baghmara Water Supply Scheme Phase 2, sanctioned by the Ministry of Development of North Eastern Region, will soon be tendered. Meanwhile, Housing and PHE Minister Marcus N. Marak said the government aims to build a $10 billion economy and place Meghalaya among the country's top 10 states. During the program, incentives under the Green Meghalaya and Focus Plus schemes were distributed to beneficiaries.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Uni jamano zigzag block ni Denny CH Mara. Jol da simang man na aranang pa Sri Klobin di Shira zigzag block. Coach Borolatri Betasing block. Uni jamano Srimati Provati Coach Borolatri Betasing block. Jol chekrang ko anchang Sri Anderson CH again Betasing block ni Dijeng T Sangma na announce kagen. Jol anchang Betasing block ni Donang CH Sangma na bang nani ko kapangen. M Marak Boldam Grey zigzag block. Sina mabalata sa kantikon. Donang CH Sangma Betasing block. Uni jamano rera para rongbakre songni secretary rang ribay na tsakanggen rera para samandal gre uni jamano rera para rongchadeng gre
Misalo sengni chat kepa MDA Government ni anniversary ko maniyon anga public na akaningatsin ya will see Meghalaya Deni Salo ansing ni India ni Prime Minister ang na lekhasiata tentang bansa Meghalaya ni plug citizen rang na Meghalaya Deni bininamga pas kaniko biasa kantinan onata onbaksa wachitio biya tentang mansa Meghalaya ni development ni gaman biya namga pa katarang ko si anchini government na namga pa congratulation ko biya onata dalo India gamakon plug state rang ni gisepo economic development ko niyata ode Tamil Nadu ni jamano Meghalayan ganiga pa positiono o inga perang ya ramram katong ja Ram katang ja Tamil Nadu Maharashtra Karnataka nakapa state rang de Meghalaya na batte belong in advance of bata anche na men jaman saking Ande ba alo ya MDA government ni sumayo. Ya bulsi chet ni gisepo. Ya chun big pa Hill State Meghalaya. India ni khonao Northeast so aka. Disadvantage rang ning na kanirang bakma. Tribal majority state and ba alo ya tribal state ya hill state ya chun big pa state. Taro India ni dakbat kepa state rang baksa compete ka naman nga national level o. Ano da siya ka na kata? Gapan dal kepa state rang ko beat ka eh. Meghalaya da lo gni kepa position na sukcho. Reping rang yan at singna na min siyo ka ni aro katsa ni okchong mata. O kapay sol ko matel na sing kracho mota.